Bagan. Ayun. Sige po. Push na natin to. Kung alam niyo yung song, sabayan niyo ako. Yun. Can plan at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. I never said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors, they don't want you anymore. It sounds funny, but I say it anyway. Girl, stay here through bad times. Even if I have to let you every day, you get back with a smile. It can never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody needs a happy ending story, a wonder can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into a frown. Little love, little prayer, and this song. Thank you, Evan. Yoko na. A world where everybody needs a happy ending story. It's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into a frown. Your little love, little prayer, and this song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. We'll get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away those tears goodbye. Sabay-sabay tayo. Dito naman. Ayun, pasensya na guys. Naiyak talaga ako. Sabi ko hindi ako iiyak. Nakita ko yung video. Thank you very much! Grabe kayo. Salamat sa'yo. Salamat sa'yo. Salamat sa'yo. Salamat sa'yo. Salamat sa'yo, Lord. And for our next song, this one, super special sa heart since ito yung song na from Team L. Alam niyo na yun? Mahit, kulay dilaw. Sandali. Okay. Wait lang. Reset muna ako. Ready po? Go.
Woo! Woo! Kailangan laging alagaan, Mango, aalagaan. Dalisay ko na puso, dalang araw. Sa tamang panahon,